Capricorn. People adore your loyalty, your calm, and your quiet strength, but betray you, and you become the hardest enemy anyone can face. Stay with me till the end, and discover all 20 traits that make Capricorns loving, protective, and unstoppable. Capricorns don't love lightly. When they commit, it's complete. Time, energy, and heart are invested with precision. But cross their trust, and that same loyalty turns inward. The support that once uplifted you becomes the barrier protecting their peace. Silence is their strategy, not weakness. Calm is their weapon. When provoked, Capricorn doesn't yell, they act with clarity and precision. Every reaction is measured. Every word counts. Cross the line, and the mountain shifts. Nothing is rushed. Decisions arrive at the perfect moment, because patience is their superpower. They wait, they observe, they act always with intention. Impulse is for those unprepared. Capricorns act with the weight of foresight. Their care is subtle, steady, and enduring. They notice small details, remembering the kindness you gave or the promises you broke. Underestimate this vigilance, and you might be surprised by the force they can wield if pushed. Capricorn builds relationships like structures, strong, enduring, intentional. Love is a foundation. Betrayal collapses walls, but they rebuild only when integrity is restored. Every bond is curated with wisdom. They don't remember to punish, but to navigate life wisely. Every slight and every kindness is catalogued. Forgiveness comes with sincerity. Otherwise, detachment is their remedy. Capricorns see patterns, motives, and hidden truths. Deception cannot hide. Their observation is keen. Charm is optional. Respect honesty, and you gain a loyal friend. Betray trust, and you face their precision. Calm is discipline, not passivity. When provoked, Capricorn's composure transforms into focused energy. The fire that fuels their ambition becomes sharp, precise, and unavoidable. Promises are sacred. Dependable and patient, they become the foundation others lean on. Cross them, and that steadfast devotion transforms into clear boundaries. Love is nurturing but carefully measured. Betrayal freezes rivers once free-flowing. Bridges harden. This is not revenge, it's self-preservation, natural and exact. Capricorn assesses, plans, and acts with precision. Kindness becomes shield. Love becomes fortress. Their strategy is subtle yet unstoppable. Rarely reactive, they process emotions internally. Anger, grief, disappointment, they handle it all with discipline. This control protects them and teaches others respect. Life hasn't been easy. Every lesson fuels insight. Respect their wisdom, and you gain an ally. Ignore it, and you awaken a force you weren't prepared to face. Values are non-negotiable. Integrity guides all decisions. Deviation triggers calm, unyielding consequence. Their moral compass is precise and immovable. Quiet yet relentless, Capricorn works steadily toward goals. Their energy can guide and inspire, but cross their boundaries, and it fuels focused defense. They notice effort and victories others miss. Support is deliberate, never blind. Misuse their trust, and warmth shifts to caution. Attention becomes distance, steady yet intense. Gentle yet protective, loving yet fierce. This spectrum is governed by respect. Treat them honestly and you find sanctuary. Attempt manipulation, and you meet the mountain's edge. Words are carefully chosen. Their voice can uplift, guide, or defend. No wasted syllable, no empty promise. Clarity is their signature. Waiting is never passive. Every pause is deliberate. Timing is an ally. Delay is not indecision. It's strategy. Capricorn acts when clarity demands it. Above all, Capricorns protect what they love: people, values, and dreams. Their dedication is relentless, their presence steady. When stakes are high, they are the mountain you lean on and the force you cannot ignore. Capricorn is both invitation and instruction. Love them, respect them, understand them. Their kindness is deep, their patience profound, their protection unshakable. If you feel these traits describe you or someone you love, like this video, share your zodiac sign in the comments, and subscribe for more astrology insights. Embrace the Capricorn energy.
Steadfast, wise, loving, and fiercely protective.